AutoNation introduces PrecisionCare, powered by the Clorox Total 360 system, a revolutionary new way to sanitize for a healthier ride. A lot of life happens in cars. American drivers spend an average of more than 294 hours each year behind the wheel of a car, but few realize that vehicle interiors can be a hotbed for germs. Do more than just clean. Sanitize and kill the germs that may be lurking. Research shows car interiors can house up to 8 times as many germs as a public bathroom surface. Illness-causing germs can live on high-touch surfaces for days, sometimes weeks. Introducing the Clorox Total 360 system, an innovative electrostatic sprayer paired with trusted bleach-free Clorox disinfectant and sanitizer. It's safe on surfaces and delivers superior surface coverage. It's a revolutionary new way to kill germs in your vehicle quickly and easily. Here's how it works. First, the electrostatic sprayer system turns the liquids into small droplets. Then the sprayer applies a charge to these droplets, so they are attracted to and adhere to surfaces with a force greater than gravity. The coverage is superior. It spreads over, under, and around surfaces. The Clorox Total 360 system not only kills 99.9% of germs, but it is also bleach-free, odorless, and colorless, and safe on all vehicle interior surfaces. Only $29.95 per treatment in less than 30 minutes. See a service advisor to schedule your treatment today. Exclusively at AutoNation. PrecisionCare, powered by the Clorox Total 360 system. Be wise. Sanitize.